Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I have done 3 episodes on square series. This is the last episode. In the first episode, I have explained how to find the square of a two-digit number. In the second episode, I explained how to find square of a number which is close to 100,000 like that. In the third episode, I explained how to find the square of a number in which units place contains 5. Now in this episode I am going to explain the general method. So this method is applicable for every number. Okay, let us go into the method. So friends, let us discuss the first method. This method is based on the formula a plus b whole square. We know a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now I will explain with some example. Let us take 27 whole square. Now in place of a we have to take 2. In place of b we have to take 7. In the formula a plus b whole square we have 3 terms, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here also take 3 blanks. Now fill these blanks from right to left. Right to left. Now first blank b square. In place of b square write 7 square. 7 square is 49. So write 9 here. 4 will be carried forward to the next blank. So write 4 here. Now next term is 2ab. 2 into a means 2. B means 7. So 2 into 7, that is 28. 28 plus this carry forward number 4. 28 plus 4 is 32. So write 2 here. 3 will be carried forward to the next place. Now a square. A square means 2 square. 2 square means 4. 4 plus this carry forward number 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Therefore 27 whole square is 729. Let us take one more example. Now I am taking 64 whole square. Here in place of a we have to take 6. In place of b we have to take 4. Write 3 blanks because there are 3 terms in the formula a plus b whole square. Now fill the blanks from right to left. So first calculate b square. B square means here 4 square, that is 16. Write 6 here. 1 will be carried forward to the next blank. Next term is 2ab. 2 into 6 into 4, that is 48. 48 plus this carry forwarded number 1. 48 plus 1, that is 49. So write 9 here. 4 will be carry forwarded. Next a square. A means 6. So a square is 36. 36 plus this carry forwarded number 4, that is 40. Therefore 64 whole square is equal to 4096. Now I am taking a 3-digit example. Now 124 whole square. I have taken a 3-digit number. Here a means 12 and b means 4. As usual we have to write 3 blanks. We have to fill the blanks from right to left. So first let us calculate b square. B square means 4 square. 4 square is 16. So write 6 here. 1 will be carried forwarded. Next term is 2ab. 2 into a means 12 into b means 4. So that is 96. 2ab term is 96. 96 plus this carry forwarded number 97. So write 7 here. 9 will be carried forwarded. Next a square. A square means 12 square. 12 square means 144. 144 plus 9. 153. So write 153 in this blank. So 124 whole square is 15,376. Now I am going to explain another method to find square of a 3-digit number. This method is based on the formula a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square. That is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In the method also we have to write a square plus b square plus c square in the first row, 2ab and 2bc in the second row, and 2ca in the third row. Okay, now I will explain with an example. Now let us take an example 126 whole square. 126 whole square. In the first row we have to write a square, b square and c square. Here 1 is a, 2 is b, 6 is c. Okay, now a square means 1 square, 1. We have to write 0 1 because we have to write 2 digits, so we have to write 0 1. Next b square is 2 square. We have to write 2 digits, so we have to write 0 4. Next c square means 6 square. 6 square means 36. Since it contains 2 digits, we have to write as it is. Now second row we have to write 2ab and 2bc. Here leave the first place. 2ab, 2 into a means 1, b means 2. Therefore 2ab means 2 into 1 into 2, that is 4. So we have to write 0 4. Next 2bc, 2 into b means 2, c means 6. Therefore 2 into 6. Therefore we have to write 24. 2bc is 24. Next second row completed. Now third row. Again leave the first place. Third row is 2ca. We have to write 2ca. 2 into c means 6, a means 1. Therefore 2ca means 2 into 6 into 1, that is 12. Write 1 2. Now add these 3 terms. 6, 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Next 0 plus 4 plus 1, that is 5. Next 1 plus 0. So 126 whole square is 15,876. Okay, now I will explain with another example. That is 79 whole square. Here a is 3, b is 7 and c is 9. First write a square, 3 square, that is 9. Instead of writing 9, we have to write 0 and because we have to write 2 digits. Next b square, 7 square, 49. C square, that is 9 square, 81. Okay, first row completed. Second row. Leave the first place. Now 2ab, 2 into 3 into 7, that is 42. Next 2bc, 2 into 7 into 9. 2 7s are 14, 14 9s are 126. Here we got 3 digits, but we have to write 2 digits only. Here we got 126, so write 2 6 here. 1 will be carried forwarded to the next place. Next second row completed. Third row, leave the first place here. Now 2ca, 2 into 9 into 3, that is 54. Now add these 3 terms. 1, 6 plus 8, that is 14. Write 1 here. Next 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 4 15 plus 1 16. write 1 here. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 1 13. Write 1 here. 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 1 14. Therefore 379 whole square is equal to 1,43,641.